tight, we're up the moonlight, believe in the magic.
Good morning, besties, and Merry Christmas. I know this is probably the second Merry Christmas video you are seeing from me, but we all know that the first one was pre-recorded, so this is actually filmed on the actual Christmas day. Yes, babe. Yes. Yes, we are. So today we're going on a very fun adventure. We're going to go on a boat on Zambezi River, which is very exciting. Seriously, I'm so excited, but I'm also so nervous. I feel like my stomach is turning up in knots. I was gonna have breakfast this morning when Cables was having wheat beaks, but I couldn't stomach anything, so I ended up just leaving it all together. So I'm very excited. And last night was pouring rain. It rained so hard. I actually thought they were gonna cancel it, but apparently they're not canceling it because we're well on the way there right now. So it's exciting. There's Daddy and Kibazubani, and there's another couple that we're gonna be with on our boat, I believe. And then of course the lady in the front, which you probably can't see, works here, so she's taking us to the boat.
On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic, and we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. What you gonna do?
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas. I'm so glad I didn't eat breakfast. Here you go. Oops.
There's your we're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic.
Guys, we are in the boat. What do you think? Dizzy got so excited just now. He says they have the original. You said original what? You said the original something.
Oh yeah, the original bottle.
The original bottle. So I put the GoPro right over here. I hope it's gonna get some good footage because I only have two hands and I'm trying to vlog and I'm trying to record and drink my juice and get some sort of footage on the GoPro. So hopefully we'll get something.
Slow ride, just you in that baseline. We're way past sunshine. Believe in the magic. Alright, step into the moonlight. Get into that good time. Believe in the magic, and we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. Yeah. What you gonna do?
Crocodile infested.
Look at this hottie. Hey, honey. Hey, Kibazubani. We are technically speaking in Zimbabwe, but on an island, which is very exciting. And I completely forgot to switch the battery on this camera, so it's like flashing to tell me that it's almost dying. So I'm pretty much going to be getting most of the footage on a GoPro, but we're going to go ahead and have some tea and coffee and some yummy stuff, which is very exciting. Like seriously, I'm having a time of my life. And I was freaking out at first because I wasn't sure how I was going to react to the boat situation, but it was actually kind of fun. I think it's because we have a very considerate person who drives a boat. I don't know what they're called, but it's piping hot, and just not so long ago it was all cloudy, looking like it's raining and stuff.
We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic.